You're watching KC Imageworks.
Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Wrexham A.F.C's racecourse grounds for my update on the stand getting built, which is going to be just down here. So I'm going to have a little flyover. My last video brought up some talking points, so I'm going to cover them and have a general chat about what's going on. Okay, so let's get over. As you can see, there's still nothing down on the grounds, but work has gone on. You look down here, they're digging on the grounds here, so things are happening. So as I say about this video, and I say in all my videos, I don't know a lot about construction, so I rely on people to let me know what's going on. So in the comments, if you think I'm getting something wrong, let me know, and I'll rectify it. But what I've been told is that the foundations will be going down from the 1st of June onwards. So that's a good little bit of information. I've also been reliably informed, put my teeth back in, that so this is the cop stands. I forget what someone said the end stand was down there, so just let me know in the comments what that stand is. Then we got the, I'll remember it. I wrote it down here anyway, in case I did forget. The Mould Road stand, that's it, yeah. But I'm sure I mentioned that in the last video anyway. And the Wrexham Lager stand, which someone just pulled up next to me. I thought they were going to tell me to stop filming, but they're recording on the phone themselves. Yeah, the Wrexham Lager stands. I thought that was an advertisement on the stands. I didn't realise it was the name of the stands. So yeah. Anyway, let's get over, have a little look around, and we'll get to some of these comments that people have brought up. So one of the first comments was someone said that was a waste of time, money and human resources. It should have been moved, and that brought up a lot of replies. People saying that it's adequate for what you need now, which is probably right. It is adequate for what you need now. And a few others saying that it's maybe if they get in a championship, then it's worth moving. Starting to rain a bit here, you know. Yeah, if they get in a championship, then maybe it's worth moving to a new stadium. But I'm from Liverpool. I'm a Liverpool fan, and I think redevelopment's work. I'm happy with with Anfield and our cop at the moment, but hopefully that'll get redeveloped at some point. Right, let's get round here. So I'll say this is where the souvenir shop and everything is. Oh yeah, but when I was asking about the football pitches over there, I stupidly asked if that was the Wrexham training grounds.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm Sam, yeah. Yeah.
Over the ground or?
Well, round the outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Over the university.
Yeah.
Will you just stay off from the footprint of the
Oh, that's fine, mate. Yeah. Just
because there's contractors working there.
Yeah, I don't like encroaching anyway. Yeah, just as a fly round, that's all. There we go. That's my first. Can you not go over the grounds? Even though I can, but yeah. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, so I had to show that guy where I was flying. So yeah, them pictures, I thought that was Wrexham's training grounds, and it turns out it's the Glendower university football pitches. Is that how you pronounce it? Yeah. So, do you want me to stay outside the footprint of the ground, which is fair enough, because there's contractors, but I don't think that makes much difference. But you know, let's have a little look at it from here. Okay, so someone said that they updated name the Kop. Let's have a little look up there. As it's not the Kop anymore. No. Nice. Granted, I don't know much about Wrexham Football Club, but Liverpool Football Club have a Kop. That's been changed, what, 3 times now? 3 or 4 times. And it's still the Kop. It'll always be the Kop. Just because people don't stand on it anymore. It's still the Kop. It still makes the noise that the Kop made. You know. It's where all the hardcore fans sit. So, no, I don't agree with that. Carry on calling it the Kop. So said they're missing a Canadian flag. Was there any flags up? Is there? Anyway. Because that's where Ryan Reynolds is from, Canada. I know in the car park. I'll tell you what. So that car park down there. I know on the wall. You have Welsh and American flags. So the car park, I've just been in the turf, it's bouncing in there, there's loads of people in there. Yeah, so yeah, you've got Welsh and American flags on the wall there, so maybe that's what they meant. They're missing a Canadian flag off it, but yeah, fair point. This must be an opposition club. An opposition team fan. Tell the mega rich owners to get new lights. The opposition can't see diddly squat when they're playing at night. That could be part of the plan. That could be the idea of getting the upper hand. But I'm not being funny. Wrexham are flying in the league, aren't they? You know, home and away. So, you know, are the away teams not having good light either? I think they're just a better team, and that all comes down to finance. And yeah, oh, there's the turf there. Lovely little pub. You know, I'd recommend going in there. The owner's great. He's dead friendly. Bar staff are great. Yeah, got no complaints about that pub. It's brilliant. Every time I've been in there now, I've had a warm reception. Let's have a zoom onto the pitch. See, that's why I don't mind staying outside the perimeter now, because I can get a good view anyway. Oh yeah, someone said about the covered seats. Have you got? I haven't looked yet. Let me get round here. Just zoom back out 1 second. Unless they haven't got the covered seats here at the moment. But so anyway, someone asked about the covered seats, and I didn't know. But someone commented saying it's where the away fans sit. And it depends how many away tickets they sell, how many seats get covered. So obviously if the away team doesn't sell the whole allocation, I don't think they're going to put them in the new stands, well, the newest stands, are they? No, I can't. No, there's that them over there. They look very red over there. Anyway, if there is covered seats, it's because the away fans haven't sold all their allocation and the rest get covered up. Is basically what the answer was. Any chance of the Welsh national team being brought back to the racecourse grounds? It'd be nice, wouldn't it? But what's it going to bring up to? 15,000 seater stadium. I think, yeah, it's just not big enough, is it? is my opinion on it. The Welsh team have a massive following, so yeah, I just don't know. Maybe if they have a friendly here, but competitively they're going to stick to the bigger cities, aren't they? Right. Anyway, so that's a lap of the ground done, guys. I'll try and get here more often, try and do, like, you know, if I can get here once a week, I'll come here once a week once the build starts. Let's just get that stand in there. But if not, I'll get here at least once a fortnight. Okay, but yeah, thanks for watching my videos. The last one got a great reception. I really appreciate it. If you like them, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll be doing more and a lot of public interest videos as well. I get to Wales quite a lot, so yeah, if it's something you're interested in, consider subscribing to the channel. And thank you for all the support that you give me. I really appreciate it. Likes and comments are always valued as well, especially comments. That's what makes this channel work. So yeah, I don't know what happened to the audio at the end of this one. It cut out a little bit early. All I wanted to say was stay safe and look after yourselves, and I'll speak to you all at the next one. Bye now.